Standard 10 Maths Part First Quadratic Equation Practice Set 2.1 Example number 4 to 6. Friends, watch this video till the end. See and solve the example given below the end of the video. Hi friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. This is my Rajendra Jadhav YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel today to see new educational videos every day. Hello friends, today we are going to learn about remaining part of practice set 2.1. Question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equations are the roots of the quadratic equation or not. First example, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. The value of x is equal to 1 and minus 1. How to solve this example? First, substitute the value of x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1. Value of x is equal to 1 in this equation. Left side is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Put the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation. 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Square of 1 is equal to 1. 4 1 is 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 is the right side of this equation and the right side is right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the root of given equation. Equation means quadratic equation. In this type, solve the above example. Next, value of x is equal to minus 1. Substituting x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. Left hand side is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 square plus 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 1 minus 4 and minus 5, the sum of two numbers is equal to minus 9. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8 is not equal to right hand side. The right hand side of this equation is 0. Here the value of left side, putting the value of minus x, the value of this left side is minus 8 and minus 8 not equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. This way to solve above example. How to solve next equation? 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. The value of m is equal to 2 and second value is 5 upon 2. First solve example in this method to solve second example. Substituting m is equal to 2 in the given equation. The left side of this equation is 2m square minus 5m. Put the value of 2 in this equation. 2 into 2 square minus 5 into the value of m is equal to 2. 2 into square of 2 is equal to 4 minus 5 into 2. 5 2 is 10. 2 4 is 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. Subtract the greater number to smaller number and give the sign in the greater number. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 and the sign of greater number is 2. Left hand side the value of minus 2 and in this equation the right side is equal to 0 and this value is not equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore m is equal to 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Second, the value of variable m is equal to 5 upon 2. In this method, substituting m is equal to 5 upon 2 in the given equation. The equation left side is equal to 2m square minus 5m. Put the value of m 5 upon 2 in this equation. 2 into 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. First give the square of bracket. The square of 5 is equal to 25 and the square of 2 is equal to 4 minus 5 5 is 25 upon 2. 2 2 is 4. It's remaining 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. The subtraction of two number is equal to 0 and 0 is the value of right side, is equal to right side. The left side and right side are equal, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore m is equal to the value 5 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. In this way, solve the above equation. Next example 5, question number 5. If x is equal to 3 is one root of the equation kx वर्ग minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, find the value of k. Solution: x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation. Substituting x is equal to 3 in the given equation. First, write down this equation: k x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put the value of x is equal to 3, k into value of x 3 bracket square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the square of 3 is equal to 9. 9 into k, 9k minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k, the sum of two number minus 30 plus 3, the sign of this number is different. The value, the sum of different sign number, subtract greater number to smaller number. 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. Give the sign in greater number. Answer is 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k is equal to minus 27 goes to right hand side. The 27 is the plus 27. K is equal to 27. 9 is multiplied by k. 9 goes to division in right side. 9 3s are 27. The value of k, therefore the value of k is 3. Next example of practice set 2.1, question number 6. One of the roots of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Solution: dot dot is the root of quadratic equation. Minus 7 upon 5 is the root of quadratic equation. Therefore, 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Substitute m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the given quadratic equation. This is the given quadratic equation. Put the value of m, 5 into m square, value of m minus 7 upon 5 plus 2 into value of m minus 7 upon 5. Next step, calculate the 5 into minus 7 upon 5. 5 into minus 7 square of minus 7 is equal to 49 and square of 5 is equal to 25. 5 5 is 25. 49 upon 5. In next box, the value is 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 minus 14 upon 5 plus k. The addition between two number 49 minus 40 upon 5 is equal to, denominator is same, 9 minus 4 5, 4 minus 1 3, 5 7 is 35. Therefore 7 plus k, in box 7 value plus k is equal to minus 7, 7 goes to right side, the value of k is equal to minus 7. These type of question are asked in question paper in the question number 2a and 3b. This question type is activity based question. Hi friends, below are example for more practice. Solve it and send it to my WhatsApp number 9850169389.